So I have a model over here and I want her skin tone to look like the model in this image. So I will go back to this image, go to layers and create two empty layers over here. Let's call this one current and this one target. Select the current one, then select the brush tool, copy a mid-tone color of her skin, for example from here, and draw it over here. Now I will go to the target image, copy a color from over here, go back to the current layer, select target and simply draw a red color over here. Now select the current layer and change its blend mode to subtract. Now select the model layer, go to select and color range. Play around with the fuzziness and hit OK. Now create a solid color adjustment layer over here and copy this color and hit OK. Now change the blend mode of this layer to linear dodge. So here is the before and here is the after. So basically we have copied the skin tone from this image to this image. I hope you guys will find this useful. Don't forget to like and share.